With these three websites, you can earn hundreds and thousands of dollars all while playing games and while staying at the comfort of your homes, just like these people over here. Hello guys, I'm back with another super simple method with which you can earn $1,523 every single day with just playing games either on your smartphone or on your computer. And what's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill or experience. And you can even start making money with this method right after you finish watching this video. Now, this method is available worldwide and it is really fresh, so it is going to work through 2021 as well. And guys, the following video will be a really in-depth tutorial, so make sure to pay close attention to make sure you maximize your profits. And guys, make sure to stick around until the end and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe to the channel because we are regularly uploading new videos about how you can make money online. And with that being said guys, we can now jump into the first website that I have for you guys.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Which is called winnergames.com. Now, winnergames.com is a website where you play different types of games and earn different types of tokens, which you can then later on cash out in the form of money or in cryptocurrency. So as we can see, there are basically three ways that we can earn money. So the first is that we have to choose one of the many different games in big time and collect tons of tickets. Number two is the more tickets you earn, the higher your chance of winning the cash prizes. And number three, the tickets are tabulated and the winner is drawn. And if we scroll down below, we can see all the people that have won through this website. So we've got a lot of different people from all over the world. So we've got people from the US, from India, from Canada, from Russia, from Bulgaria, and from Brazil as well. And we can see that the winning prizes aren't in small sums, they are in thousands of dollars. So people have won about, so this person has won $3,675, this person has won $3,515. As you can see, there are a lot of different people and almost all of them have won over $2,000. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just simply come over to this website, play a few games, and you can earn lots and lots of money. So having said that, we can now check out all the games that are available on this website. So we have a lot of different games, and as we can see, once we move our cursor on them, we can see that this game is available both on Google Play and on App Store, and all these games are basically available on both these operating systems. What I want you guys to do is just simply choose whichever game that you want to play and check out all these games on App Store. Now, having said that, let us go on to the App Store and check out all these games from Winner Games. So once we're on the App Store, we can see all the games that are from Winner Games, and as we can see, we have tons and hundreds and thousands of games, and all these games have at least 4-star reviews, which means that these games are all legit and work 100%. So let's just check out this game right here guys, which is basically solitaire. So when we click on it, as we can see, over 100,000 people have played this game, and as we can see, it has a 4.3 rating and the comments are really good as well. And as we can see over here, this is how the game looks like. We can win money by cashing out with PayPal. So what are you guys waiting for? Just simply come over to Winner Games, download these applications, and start earning hundreds and thousands of dollars, all while playing games and while staying at the comfort of your home. Now, before we move on to the second website, let's just check out another great game from Winner Games. Let's just check out this game over here, and as we can see, over 7,000 people have played this game and have given it 4-star reviews again. Over 7,000 people have played this game and have given it 4-star reviews as well. Now, this game is called Bricks 2, and this is how it looks like. We can see people winning over thousands of dollars all while playing this game. And if we look at more images, it looks pretty amazing guys. The colors are pretty good, and if we take a look at the comments down below, even the comments are saying that this game is really good. So what are you guys waiting for? Come over to winnergames.com, download these games, and start earning hundreds and thousands of dollars, all while playing video games and staying at the comfort of your home. Now, having said that guys, we can now move on to website number 2. So the second website that I have for you guys is called pogo.com. Now, pogo.com is also very similar to the first website that I showed you guys, where you can earn money by playing various different games. So when you come over to this website, we'll be greeted by this page over here. So if you are a member, you can just simply sign in, but if you aren't, all you have to do is drag this bar to verify your age and then just simply click on play. Now, once you've verified your age guys, this is how the website is going to look like. Now, immediately what we see here are they have some games that are absolutely free and are having some sort of deal. So if we download this game, we will get 100 pogos. If we play this game, we will also get 100 pogos, and if we play this game, which is called Pogo Daily Sudoku, we will get 400 pogos and another 400 by playing this game. What are pogos? Pogos? Well, Pogos are the token of this game. What that basically means is that you have to earn points, and then you can cash out those points in the form of either in cash or in either Bitcoin. And you can immediately start earning money after you've signed up onto this website. So to sign up onto this website, all you have to do is click on the register button at the top right here. Click on register free. So once you've clicked on register, guys, this page will pop up. Now over here, all you have to do is enter in your country/region and enter in your birthday, and that is basically it. Now once you've signed in, guys, all that is left for you guys to do is play some games and start earning hundreds and thousands of dollars either in cash or in Bitcoins. Now having said that, guys, we can now move on to the third website that I have for you guys, which is called roulette.com. Now roulette.com is an online gambling website, so you have to be very careful on this website, guys, because guys, as I said, it is a gambling website, so you have to be careful when playing these games. Now you can earn big time, such as this person over here, which has just made about $1,800, but remember guys, you can also lose a lot of money as well. As we can see over here, this person has just lost $4,000. So remember guys, you can earn big time money, but there's always a small risk involved. So what I want you guys to do is follow this video carefully, and at the end of the video, you will have a better understanding about this website and how you can earn money as well. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is register onto this website. Simply click on register at the top right here, and all you have to do is enter in your username, your password, confirm your password, or you can either continue with Google or with Steam. So if you have a Google account or a Steam account, you can just simply sign into this website using those two over there. So once you logged in, guys, all these games are going to be available to you. So we have slots, we have game shows, we have blackjack, baccarat, roulette, crash, dice, mines, and towers. But I'm only going to show you a couple of these games so that you have a better understanding about this website. So the first game that I'm going to show you guys is called roulette. So when you click on it, and now as we can see over here, the game is in progress and it takes about 20 seconds to play this game. And after every 20 seconds, the game repeats. How it basically works: enter in the amount that you want to bet and then select the coin that you think is going to win. And as we can see over here, guys, the silver coin has won in the previous round, and all the guys who chose silver had won double the money that they had bet. So all you have to do is enter in the amount, select the coin, and you will be winning. Let's just check out another game before I go show you guys the next game. So it's rolling, and I think it's going to be silver. Let's see if I'm right. And as you can see, guys, the top entrepreneur is always right. It's a silver one. So bet on silver, guys. And as we can see over here, if you pick bronze or silver, you will have double the wagered amount, and if you pick gold, you will have 14. Now having said that, guys, you can earn big time amounts, but there is always a small risk involved. So whenever you're on these types of websites, be careful, guys. Gamble your money carefully. Now, having said that, guys, now we can move on to the second game that I have to show you guys. It's called dice. So as we can see over here, this is how the game looks like. So all we have to do is enter in the amount that we want to, enter in the amount that you want to gamble, and all you have to do is just play dice. So let me just play a small demo so I can show you guys how this basically works. So let's just enter in $10, and as we can see over here, if we roll over $51, the amount will be multiplied by 2. As we can see over here, we have our winning chance, which is about 48%. So it's not even 50 yet, but I'm still going to risk it. I'm just simply going to click on roll dice, and as we can see, we only got 2, which is very, very poor. Now let's try it again. Let's roll dice, and as we can see, we have 46 this time, which is not good. Third time's the charm, guys, and roll dice. And as we can see over here, we just won 83 and we have won $20. That is how simple it is to earn money onto this game. You will lose some money, but you will also gain some money as well. Remember, guys, gamble carefully and responsibly. So, and all that's left is depositing money, and you can deposit money by Bitcoin or by Ethereum or by Litecoin as well from this website and from the previous websites as well. So to deposit cryptocurrencies, you're going to need a cryptocurrency wallet, and you can find a cryptocurrency wallet by going over to coinbase.com. Now coinbase.com is a website where people come to manage, sell, or buy their cryptocurrencies. So all you have to do is simply click on get started, and you can sign up onto this website, and once you've signed up, you will have a Bitcoin wallet address. And after that, you can simply deposit your money from this website. So let me show you how you basically deposit from this website. So click on deposit, and you will have this pop up. This is your Bitcoin wallet address that you can scam with your application, and it will link Roulette's Bitcoin wallet address to your Coinbase wallet address, and then you can just simply deposit cryptocurrencies back and forth from this website. And that is basically it. And that is how you earn hundreds and thousands of dollars, all while staying at home and playing video games. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, what I want you guys to do is hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification icon so that you won't miss out on any future videos like this. We make a lot of videos in which we talk about how you can make money online. Having said that, guys, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, goodbye.